In the modern technology landscape, pressure comes from every direction. Investors expect rapid progress the moment funding clears, while competitors ship new features almost daily. For internal engineering teams, this external pressure translates into a single mandate: scale the team immediately and fill empty seats. To survive that crunch, organizations often take shortcuts. They condense recruitment cycles and rely on surface-level keyword matching to sift through stacks of resumes. When the focus shifts to whoever is available to start immediately, the rigorous verification of technical expertise often takes a back seat. This survival instinct leads to a widespread assumption in the industry that moving fast requires accepting a lower standard of work. Project managers often view this as a necessary sacrifice. They believe that a slightly lower standard of code is the price of keeping a project on schedule. As the hiring speed curve accelerates, it inflates the technical debt below it into a red danger zone. A rushed developer introduces architectural flaws and security vulnerabilities that compound until the entire project stops moving. Senior engineers then have to pause their own work. Instead of developing new capabilities, they spend their days correcting the mistakes of a rushed hire. The shortcuts meant to accelerate the company are the very things that grind its long-term operations to a halt. The financial cost of a rushed hiring decision is rarely visible during recruitment. It typically takes months of rework and lost productivity before the impact is fully realized. The alternative is the multiplier effect. A vetted technical professional acts as a central node, synchronizing the system. An experienced engineer elevates the output of the whole project, designing scalable architectures and writing maintainable code, which reduces systemic bugs for the team. By establishing these engineering best practices early, a high-quality hire creates future operational speed for the organization. The challenge is capturing this multiplier effect without enduring a 6-month recruitment process to find that specific level of expertise. Solving the dilemma requires moving away from manual resume scanning and guesswork. Modern teams are replacing those methods with structured, verified evaluation systems. Expert on Hire acts as the mechanism for this transition, optimizing the recruitment pipeline to find elite talent without the traditional delays. The process begins by translating a business requirement into clearly defined technical skills. Next, AI-assisted matching filters out the noise, isolating a focused group of qualified professionals. Finally, these candidates pass a verified technical evaluation, prepared to contribute from day one. This structured framework integrates quality checks directly into the recruitment flow, allowing companies to secure technical expertise while maintaining their required pace. Organizations no longer have to sacrifice effective hiring for the sake of a fast hire. Utilizing this approach requires a change in metrics. Success is no longer defined by time to fill alone. This chart compares the two approaches. A rushed hire produces a sharp spike in activity that quickly drops off as technical debt mounts. A smarter hire creates a continuously rising trend of sustainable innovation and long-term business value. In a hyper-competitive market, speed creates your initial momentum, but verified quality is what sustains it over the long term. Modern engineering teams succeed by prioritizing this structured framework, securing the expertise needed to scale with confidence. Smooth hiring, no noise.